today's video, I'm doing a really easy peachy cut crease makeup look. It's super easy and super simple to achieve, so if you want to see how I get it, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start by priming my face. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm just going to stick this like in the center of my face. For foundation, I'm going to mix the LA Girl Pro Coverage with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 5. This foundation's pretty full coverage, so I'm only going to apply a little bit of this in places I want to brighten. And then blend it out with the same damp beauty blender. To set that in place, I'm going to use this Catrice Prime and Fine Mattifying Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the shade Luminous Bronze Light. For blush, I'm going to use a warm peachy kind of blush. This is the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Apricot in the middle. This also has some like specks of like shimmer in it, so it'll give me some sheen on my cheeks, like a nice glow. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. I'm going to take this shade. To kind of like help set all the powders down into place, I'm going to take this Marc badescu facial spray. And just spray my face, and it'll kind of help sink all the powders into your skin. I'm going to move on to my eyes now, and for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Tartelette palette. I'm going to take the shade Charmer and apply this all over my lid. Just kind of give like an even base and kind of like set the concealer down that I have up there. Next, I'm going to take the shade Flower Child and use this as like a transition shade. Whenever I do my makeup, I like to blend a lot of shadows on my eyes so that everything looks super blended and very seamless. So even though you're not going to see this color that much, it's still going to help everything look more seamless. Next, I'm going to take this shade and apply this in my crease. I'm using a natural hair brush. This is a Morphe M433. It's one of my favorite brushes for crease work. It's not too fluffy, but it's not so precise where I'm doing a lot of detail work. It's perfect. I'm also going to run that same color in my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this Colourpop shadow. This is in the shade Waddles. And just apply this all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take the Color Raine eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this shade. It's just like a nice peachy kind of color, and I'm going to dust this all over my lid. So I want like a true peach. The Waddles is a bit more pinky, and I want peach. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the Tarte palette, and I'm going to run this on my outer V and a little bit into the crease. I'm also going to run this in my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take that same M433 and just buff out the edges. And then I'm going to take some translucent powder and stamp this on the outer edges of my eyes to create like a sharp line. And then I'm going to go back into this shade from the Color Raine palette and apply this on my lid again. And go back into Morphe M433 and just blend this out. And then into the shade Leader and apply this to like really close into my lash line. I'm also gonna run that close to my lower lash line. And I'm gonna blend that out. The M433. And then I'm going to apply a cut crease with this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I think that this is definitely one of the easiest ways to do a cut crease. This is why I wanted to show you how to do it. Super simple and super easy and super pretty. You can apply like any shape you want. If you want to be more rounded, you don't have to do this like wing shape. You also can use concealer, you don't have to use glitter. You can use whatever you want. For lashes, I'm going to apply the Ardell Foam Ink lashes in the style 812. They're just like pretty like nice and simple lashes. I want you to be able to see the glitter. So I'm going to apply these off camera and then I'll come back and do the rest of my makeup. I'm going to dust this powder away now. I'm going to apply this Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Crayon in the shade Rococo to my upper and lower waterlines. And then really quickly before I apply my low lash mascara, I'm going to take that same Urban Decay glitter liner and apply it to the first inner corner of my eye. And then I got my mascara. I'm using the Carbon Black by L'Oreal, the luminous Carbon Black. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the Colored Raine palette and just go in with this shade. I'm also going to apply some of this glitter in my inner corners. For lips, I'm going to line them with this Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Dolce. And then to fill in, I'm going to use the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Times Square. I kind of want to add more of like a blush, so I'm going to take this Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Love and just apply it to my cheeks. Well, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you have not already. And if you want to see full step products I mentioned, you can look in the description box below. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. In today's video, we're doing a makeup tutorial on the look I'm wearing right now. Foundation smell. The rest of my makeup. Next, I'm going to take this Colourpop Super Shop. Shoot.